Got this monstrous Peruvian apple cactus. It's throwing out flowers. You can see here. Got this beautiful blue new growth. That's the newer parts. It gets a little darker as it gets older. These will start throwing out tons of fruit soon. You want to make sure you got lots of sandy and rocky soils for it. You don't want water holding at all at the roots or the base. It can cause root rot, which is the #1 way these die. You want to make sure that they have lots of sun. See here, there's nothing blocking it. And then that'll allow its flowers to put itself all over. Got this one right here, not flowering yet. Another mutation. Hasn't thrown out flowers yet, but this one has. This is the original Cereus repandus, or Cereus peruvianus, like a lot of people call it. This one came from my ranch. This one will start throwing out flowers pretty soon. Usually it's that tall guy, and it's this one. That's this one. And this one is the one that throws out least flowers. That one throws out the most fruit and flowers out of these three, obviously. But you can compost and mulch these once a year with a fine mulch. Just make sure to put it around the base of the tree, but not on it, not on its trunk. And like I said, make sure you got soil that drains amazingly, so it can drain all its stuff away. They can grow in the shade too. You can see that one over there is in the shade. It's got lots of new growth. But you see here, it's got one little flower, even though the other one's in the full sun. And it's got no flowers. So, but yeah, these Peruvian apple cacti, Peruvian, apple cactus mutated versions. Really great food crop. Lots of potential for the future. If you got any questions on how to grow them best, let me know. I can grow hundreds of them, not a couple thousand. So, yeah, have a good one.